Why function and method names matter.
Good names make code easier to read and understand. Well-chosen function or method names quickly tell you what the code does, making it easier to maintain and debug. Poorly named functions lead to confusion and mistakes. Whether working alone or with a team, clear naming helps everyone work more efficiently and reduces time spent decoding what each part of your code does.
Be descriptive and specific.
Choose names that clearly describe what the function or method does. Use verbs for actions and nouns for outcomes. For example, calculate total, fetch user data, or send email notification. Avoid vague names like do task or handle stuff. The more specific your name, the easier it will be for others to quickly understand the purpose of your code.
Follow consistent naming conventions.
Stick to a consistent naming style throughout your code base. For most programming languages, use lower camel case for function and method names like getUserInfo or updateProfile. Consistency helps others predict and recognize patterns in your code. Check your language's style guides or your project's conventions and follow them closely to avoid confusion.
Avoid abbreviations and acronyms.
Unless they are widely understood in your team or industry, avoid abbreviations and acronyms. While shortening words might save time initially, it can make your code harder to read in the long run. Use complete, meaningful names like initialize database instead of initdb. Clear names help future developers, or even you, to easily understand what each function does.
Reflect return values and side effects.
A good function or method name hints at its return value or side effects. Use prefixes like is for functions that return true or false, such as is active or is logged in. For methods that perform actions like save file or send request, the name should indicate what changes as a result. Naming should set clear expectations for anyone using your code.
Keep it short, yet meaningful.
Strive for names that are informative but concise. Avoid unnecessary words, but do not sacrifice clarity for brevity. For instance, use delete account instead of remove user account from system completely. The best names strike a balance. Long enough to describe the purpose, but short enough to be quickly readable.